Hey there, folks. Welcome back to My Health Natural Cures. Did you know that your diet can help protect your vision? The truth is that there are some fruits that are especially rich in nutrients that are essential for eye health. In this video, we will learn about the 9 main fruits that protect the eyes and repair vision. So, if you want to protect your vision and prevent eye diseases, stay with us in this video. The eyes are one of the most important organs in our body. They allow us to see the world around us and play a vital role in our lives. In order for our eyes to function properly, they need a variety of nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. But what are the essential nutrients for our eye health? Well, let's explore these vital connections. Vitamin A is essential for night vision. It helps to convert light into electrical signals that the brain can understand. It also helps to protect the retina from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells. They are produced naturally by the body, but they can also be caused by environmental factors, such as exposure to sunlight and pollution. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. It also helps to promote tissue healing and to protect the retina from age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Vitamin E is another antioxidant that helps to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. It also helps to maintain retinal health and prevent cataracts. Lutein and Zeaxanthin are 2 carotenoids that help to protect the retina from harmful blue light. Blue light is a part of the light spectrum that can damage retinal cells. Copper is a mineral that helps to produce melanin, a pigment that helps to protect the retina from sunlight. Therefore, to maintain the health of your eyes, it is important to include a combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in your diet. Fruits are an excellent source of many of these essential nutrients for eye health. And I bet you already include many of them in your diet. Let's meet them. Number 1. Blueberry. It is one of the fruits richest in antioxidants, including vitamin C, vitamin E, lutein, and zeaxanthin. They are like the guardians of the retina, fighting free radicals and protecting vision. How about including a handful of blueberries in your daily diet? Number 2. Orange. It is a good source of vitamin A, vitamin C, and lutein. Oranges are not just refreshing, they are rich in vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in preventing eye diseases. Did you know that vitamin C also strengthens the blood vessels of the eyes? Number 3. Papaya. In addition to helping digestion, papaya is rich in vitamins A, C, and enzymes that benefit the eyes. Who else here is a fan of this tropical fruit? Number 4. Strawberries. Strawberries are not only delicious, but they are also packed with antioxidants that fight cellular aging. How do you like to consume strawberries? Number 5. Kiwi. Kiwi is a powerhouse when it comes to lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 essential nutrients for eye health. This fruit is also rich in vitamin C and copper. Number 6. Mango. In addition to being delicious, mangoes are an incredible source of vitamin A, C, and lutein. These vitamins are essential for maintaining eye health. Number 7. Grapes. Grapes, especially red and purple grapes, contain antioxidants such as resveratrol, which can help prevent macular degeneration. Number 8. Carrot. We've all heard that carrots are good for the eyes, but do you know why? They are rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, which is essential for retinal health. Number 9. Avocados. Avocados are not only delicious, but they also contain omega-3, an essential fatty acid for eye health. Do you usually consume avocados? As soon as you finish this video, watch the short video we have here on the channel about the benefits of this fruit for your health. So, guys, did you enjoy this journey through superfruits that can transform your eye health? Remember, a balanced diet is the path to clear and lasting vision. Leave in the comments which of these fruits are your favorites and if you've noticed any improvement in your vision by including them in your diet. Don't forget to give that like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any content. See you in the next video, and until then, take good care of your eyes.